How much life insurance do you actually need? My name's Cherie. This is Rex.
And we're from Bancorp Insurance, and we're going to give you just a quick idea of how much life insurance you need. But to say that when someone loses a loved one prematurely, there's money is one thing, but it's a tragedy, and you don't want to compound the tragedy by having serious financial issues at the same time. So how much life insurance should you have? First of all, you should have life insurance, but you should have enough. Now, I got this neat little chart. I hope it's in the
Yep,
deal.
you're
Okay.
good.
Let's pretend that we're over here on the right-hand side, and you just got out of high school. The only thing you own is a car. In the event of your of your demise, the only thing that you're going to have to do is someone's going to have to find some money to bury you. It's probably not it's a hardship, but it's not the biggest hardship. And so you're starting off in a nice low spot. As you get older, you're going to acquire things, mostly assets, things like wives, children, homes, businesses. And every time you acquire something like that, there is a corresponding liability. Those are assets. The liability is that should you not be there to provide the income necessary and or to run the business and make it work so that you can buy, take care of your family, the risk goes up and up. So depending on where you're at on this curve and how much money you owe and how many kids you have and how big your house is going to determine how much life insurance you need. Now, you're going to be up here at a point where all of these things are at their peak. Well, all of a sudden the kids are going to move out of the house. You're going to pay off the house. And you're going to get down here to the point where it's maybe just you and your spouse. And there's always going to be a need. You notice there's a gap here. There's always going to be a need for final expense. That's enough money to provide, pay the last medical bills, pay for funerals, and other things like that come with end of life. So come on in, talk to us about it. We can help you make a decision. There are formulas. This is just a rough graph that's very visual so that we can show you how much life